So students, today's topic of discussion is types of error. In previous video we have discussed what is error, definition of error, types of error, measurement of error and formula of error. So in previous lecture we have discussed the formula of error is measured value minus actual value. Now here we are discussing the types of error. Types of error, or you can say the causes of error, because error is always produced due to some cause. Error ऐसा नहीं है कि वो अपने आप प्रोड्यूस हो जाए. Definitely there is a cause, there is a definite reason to produce that error. So we are discussing here types of error, or you can say causes of error. So first type is constant error. Basically this topic is not numerical or derivation type of topic. This is general theoretical topic, so we are discussing here. So first thing, constant error. What does it mean, or what is the simplest example of this thing? Suppose we are measuring some length by 1 meter scale, and that scale is not exactly of 1 meter, that is of 90 meter or 95 meter. So every time when we are measuring length, with every measurement we are leaving 5 centimeter, because the total length of that scale is 95 centimeter. So we are leaving 5 centimeter. हर बार जो हम छोड़ रहे हैं वो कितना है, that is of 5 centimeter. So this 5 centimeter is what? This is simply error. So this error is constant error, because this is fixed value. This is not changing. This is fixed value, and we are leaving this error. We are leaving this 5 centimeter, or in other words, suppose that scale is not 95 centimeter, that scale is of 110 centimeter. 1 meter scale is of 110 centimeter, means 10 centimeter. When we are measuring some length by this scale, ठीक है, in place of 1 meter scale, what we are doing? We are every time we are taking 110 centimeter, means every time we are making 10 cent a difference of 10 centimeter. So this is what? This is error, and this is constant error. Second error is systematic error. Systematic error. So what does it mean? It means, suppose we are measuring some length or some quantity by a weighing machine or by a scale, and every time we are leaving something, means this is a type of you can say there is a difference between systematic and random error. In random, next error is random. In random error, the error may be of positive and may be of negative type. But in systematic, always we are doing the same error but in different magnitude. Means we are measuring some length shorter than actual one, but in different magnitude. Means one time we are leaving 2 centimeter, second time we are leaving 1.5 centimeter, third time we are leaving 1 centimeter, again we are leaving 3 centimeter. So we are leaving something. So error is in one direction only, but the amount of error is different. In this case, This is also a systematic error. Constant error is also a systematic error, but the error is of same amount. In this case, this is not same amount in one direction, but it is not same amount. So this is what this is systematic error. And number 3 is random error. So what is random error? Suppose we are measuring some length via rope or string, 1 meter rope or 1 meter string, and for measuring that length we are stretching that rope, and one by one we are continuing to measure the length. So in every stress our force is not same. Sometimes we are stretching less, sometimes we are stretching more, sometimes string may be loose, sometimes string may be tight. So this error is random error means sometimes we are measuring 1 meter as a 1.01 centimeter, and sometimes we measuring it as a, so this is random error. कभी ज्यादा हो रहा है, कभी कम हो रहा है, कभी वैल्यू बढ़ रही है, कभी कम हो रही है. तो दिस इज रैंडम एरर. ये क्या है? आपकी रैंडम एरर. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज लीस्ट काउंट एरर. Many times it is also known as instrumental error. Least count error means instrumental error. What is least count? By the definition of least count is the minimum value that a instrument can measure that thing, measure that quantity. The minimum value. Now, in general, suppose we have a meter scale. This is 1 meter or 100 centimeter. This is what? This is 0 centimeter, and these are the calibration of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 centimeters. Millimeters are not given in this scale. So the least count of this scale is 1 centimeter. If millimeters are not given in this scale, so least count is 1 centimeter. Suppose one length is of this. This is 8 centimeter and this is 9 centimeter. So what about this? It is measured as 8 centimeter because we can't measure the smaller value than least count by an instrument. So this is what? 8 centimeter. So we are making this small distance. This is what? This is least count error. Suppose this is this scale millimeters are given, means this scale is also calibrated in millimeters. So there is definitely 8.2 centimeter because millimeters are given. But in that case, few values still we are leaving some distance because it is not exactly 8.2. It may be 8.22, it may be 8.23, it may be 8.24. So we are leaving something. So that the value of measurement that we are leaving due to limitation of our instrument, that is called least count error. And next, fifth, that is mistakes. This error is not characterized by anything. This is mistakes, or you can say human error. Mistakes means human error. What does it mean? Suppose there is a reading of 69 centimeter and person 96 centimeter लिख गया धोखे से, by mistaken. So this is not characterized. This is human error. Everywhere is permissible. धोखे से हो गया, गलती से हो गया. So this is what? This is human error, mistakes, by mistaken. So these are the reasons: constant error, systematic error, random error, least count error, and mistakes. So these are what? These are types of error. In next video we will discuss how to measure or how to calculate the error. Means रीजन तो ये हैं, लेकिन हम उनको मेजर कैसे करेंगे, कैलकुलेट कैसे करेंगे फॉर आवर कैलकुलेशंस. सो दैट विल बी कवर्ड इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो.